Canada has voted against resolutions that call on the international community to increase humanitarian assistance to Palestine. We've voted against a call that urges Israel to stop violating international law in occupied territories. We voted against reaffirming that Israel's settlements are illegal and an obstacle to peace. And we have voted against urging Israel to comply with provisions of international law. Ambassador, Canada is in a minority of votes with these resolutions. We've joined Micronesia, the Marshall Islands, Nauru, Togo, Palau. We have not joined Norway, Sweden, Germany, the UK, France, Denmark. You know, this year in particular, Canada voted against a resolution calling on the International Court of Justice to seek an advisory, simply an advisory opinion on the illegality of Israel's occupation of Palestinian territory. You know, I remind you, Ambassador, that Canada is very strongly calling for justice for Ukraine. I have been part of that call. We all in this place have been part of that call, but I don't understand why we have a different lens for different regions. Can you explain to me why Canada continues to vote against calls for justice and for Palestinian human rights? And will Canada's vote change in the coming year as a result of the dangerous policies of the extreme right-wing government in Israel and the growing crisis, a crisis that is negatively impacting both Israelis and Palestinians?
The decision that we made with respect to how we vote on the Middle East is a decision that we've made to say, look, we're not going to pick and choose between a number of resolutions. That's the position that the government has taken at the moment. Whether that position changes or not, I don't know. But I'm happy to tell you that the government of Canada has been very consistent. And in fact, I tweeted about it 2 days ago. We believe the rule of law should protect everyone in Israel and Palestine. We believe that everyone should be protected by the rule of law. And we believe that it's critically important that there be two states for two peoples. We disagree profoundly with those people who say the Palestinians do not have a right to self-determination. We believe that they do. And we believe that the parties have to decide, and together under the rubric of international law, how they are going to negotiate their way to a better solution.